sat within an aging skiff. The hush had sunk onto the shore. The wind sang what I longed to hear. Thanks for the gentle wings, thanks for the beacon bright, the falling apart boat, and thank you for that night. He came as quiet as a cat. He didn't ask, just took a seat. He watched the reeds and that was that. His silence wrapped me soft and sweet. Thanks for the gentle wings, thanks for the beacon bright, the falling apart boat, and thank you for that night.
I've not been in the best of moods throughout this week, and I thought it was just my period, but it's not anything to do with my period. The thing is, my parents are leaving back to Nigeria in a couple days, and I've just been a mess. I don't know, like this is the I don't want to cry. I don't want to cry. But this is the same exact thing that I felt when I was leaving Nigeria to Canada. It just felt like I was never going to see them again. That's the same way that I'm feeling right now. Going back to Nigeria, and I'm going to miss them. I'm going to miss... Oh. Anyway, you guys, no more crying. I'm not crying again, and I'm not going to cry again. The devil is a liar. You're not going to see these tears. I'm taking them to the mall today. I particularly want to get my mom a bag as part of the things that she's going to be traveling with. I'm going to be getting her, I'm going to one of the Coach outlet stores in Cross Iron. So I'm going to be getting her a bag. Possibly some other things. She needs some skincare. She said she wanted some skincare, and I'm going to be getting that for her as well. Last night really got me thinking. After I spoke to a friend yesterday, she said something. She said, you know, take care of your parents. I know people say that all the time, take care of your parents, take care of your parents, but we do really take for granted that every single day that we get to live on earth with our parents alive is such a blessing, and we shouldn't take that for granted. That money that you're saving, that money that you think you're keeping apart because you're not stabilized yet, or you want to become established. She particularly said something to me yesterday. She said, you want to be established before you do things for your parents. You want to say, oh, when I blow, when I hammer, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. No, change that mindset today, because you don't even know how long you have with them. We are praying for long life. We are believing God. We are believing God for long life for our parents, to add more years to their years on earth. But make the years that God is adding worth living. Don't wait till you blow, because you don't even know when you're going to blow. So spend that money on them today, so you don't regret it tomorrow. I don't know who this message is for, but do it. Don't wait. Anyway, I'm ready. My mom, I think she's having a bath. My dad is ready. Baby is sleeping. We are all living together. I'm just waiting for my husband to come back, and we're gonna go.
Snowflakes are falling slow. I walk through hollow streets. Memories fall with snow. caress the stone. Stained glass speaks in verses. My voice remains alone. He stood beyond the gate.
I think that fits. Do you have a mirror so you can look? Yeah.
The world grew oddly still, and time forgot its name. Snowflakes are falling slow. We walk through hollow streets. Memories fall with snow.
We were just playing around. But what I want to talk about is that we've grown and our problem.
You guys, so it's crazy that my baby is going to be sitting in that car seat. Like every milestone that she makes, like it just blows my mind. Like this baby was just in my womb cooking, and now she's like this big, and she's answering her name, and she's sitting down, she's eating solid. She no longer depends on my breast milk. Like it's so crazy. So today is Saturday. Hi, happy Saturday. What are we doing today? We're doing our photo shoot. Just simple photo shoot. Nothing much. A friend offered us a free photo shoot. He wants to capture generations. So it's going to be my mom and Ugo and myself. So we're going to be wearing white and denim. You guys saw that I tried to buy denim yesterday at the mall, but that was failure. And honestly, I hate shopping. If there's one thing I hate physical shopping. I'd rather buy it on my phone than, you know, go to the stores, because on my phone is different. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. Today is the day of the photo shoot. I am happier today than I was yesterday. And I just want to, my lips are so dry. I just want to cook something quick.
There are some people that we know that as guests on the podcast, it's normal people. Yeah, like we have friends that are running businesses that they're like a serious fun.
Gold whispers brushed the water's edge. I sat with
Guys, my makeup is done. I honestly don't know what I did on my face, but we're going to manage it like that. I hurriedly did my makeup. Look at my mom. She's ready as well. We are all white, and look at this. Oh my God. Go to bed. Say hi. My small madam is also ready.
He came as quiet as a cat. He didn't ask, just took a seat.
Here in Edry, and we're ready to take some pictures. Let's go. Ooh, a whole studio! Oh my God!
And if I go get I want to select my own.
Thanks for the beacon bright, the falling apart boat, and thank you for that night. He did. didn't speak but chose to stay. His eyes had something left to say. I felt a warmth I couldn't name, and all I knew was I would stay. Thanks for the gentle wings, thanks for the beacon bright, the falling apart boat, and thank you for that night. Ooh, 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 ooh.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted
Hi.
dreams we
How do I get naked?
On the camera.
bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust gently.
We are going for my dad's last doctor's appointment today. He has been seeing an ophthalmologist surgeon. That's what we're going to do today. Mommy is here. Everyone's in the car. Everyone say hi.
Among constellations we'll find our way. Through the celestial symphony we'll sway. With every step we leave our cares behind.
The lights are out. My parents are in the car, getting ready to go to the airport. We're just making a quick stop at Superstore to get few snacks that they are going to eat as they are waiting for their flight to depart. We dropped them at the airport and I just want to get quick snacks. Quick, something quick.
As we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light, the shimmering galaxies will find our way. Guided by love's everlasting sway, with each celestial heartbeat we'll dance on in this cosmic light. As we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light.
It's because